Good morning, investors. Now we will discuss India's Index of Industrial Production for October 2022. India's IIP decreased by -3.28% in October 2022 versus +1.9% in September 2022 and versus 4.25% in October 2021, indicating India's IIP contracted on month as well as yearly basis. Manufacturing output decreased by -4.53% in October 2022 versus +2.67% in September 2022 and versus 3.41% in October 2021, indicating manufacturing output shown acute contraction on month and yearly basis. Mining production increased by 12.5% in October 2022 versus 0.4% in September 2022 and versus 15.46% in October 2021, indicating mining output improved considerably on month basis but still slightly lower on yearly basis. Electricity output decreased by -9.66% in October 2022 versus -2.04% in September 2022 and versus -0.36% in October 2021, indicating electricity output slumped sharply on month and yearly basis. Looking into details months-wise. India's IIP decreased by -3.28% in October 2022 on 1 month percent change basis, and importantly on 3 months percent change basis. It decreased by -3.57%, while on 12 months percent change basis, it decreased by -4% in October 2022, indicating IIP continues to remain in contraction on 1 month, 3 months and 12 months percent change basis. India's manufacturing production decreased by -4.53% in October 2022 on 1 month percent change basis, while importantly, it decreased by -4.67% on 3 months percent change basis and decreased by -5.64% on 12 months percent change basis, indicating manufacturing also remained in acute contraction on 1 month, 3 months and 12 months percent change basis. India's mining production increased by 12.5% in October 2022 on 1 month percent change basis, while importantly, it increased by 11.28% in October 2022 on 3 months percent change basis, and it increased by 2.46% on 12 months percent change basis, indicating mining output improved considerably on 1 month, 3 months and 12 months percent change basis. Electricity production decreased by -9.66% on 1 month percent change basis in October 2022, while importantly it decreased by -10.38% in October 2022 on 3 months percent change basis and increased by 1.2% on 12 months percent change basis, indicating electricity output shows acute contraction on 1 month, 3 months percent change basis but slightly better on 12 months percent change basis. Looking into details, industry and market segment wise. Primary goods output increased by 2.1% in October 2022 versus 0.77% in September 2022 and versus 2.02% on yearly basis, indicating primary goods saw increased output on month as well as yearly basis. Capital goods, intermediate goods, infra construction goods output decreased by -15.59%, -1.58%, -0.7% in October 2022 versus 9.37%. -0.75% and 3.17% in September 2022, indicating their output slumped considerably on month as well as yearly basis. Consumer durable goods production decreased by -13.49% in October 2022 versus 6.91% in September 2022 and versus -15.29% on yearly basis, indicating consumer durable goods saw acute contraction both on month as well as yearly basis. Consumer non-durable goods output decreased by -6.09% in October 2022 versus 2.83% in September 2022 and versus -13.43% on yearly basis, indicating consumer non-durable output also continued to show acute contraction both on month as well as yearly basis. Overall, summing up, India's industrial production contracted on month basis, mostly due to really weaker manufacturing and electricity output. Looking at 3 months percent change, India's IIP shows contraction mainly due to slump in manufacturing and electricity output. Mining output considerably improved both on month as well as yearly basis, indicating lower producer prices for India Inc. Acute weakness in capital goods output indicating lower private capital investments for capacity utilization and expansion by India Inc. and also an indicative of lower business confidence due to successive rate hikes by RBI. Sharp drop in consumer durable and non-durable output clear indicative of acute slump in consumer spending and consumer confidence.